Hello, Camp Kooksville, and welcome back to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, where someone has a nasty case of poison ivy. Guess you shouldn't have gone walking in the woods without protection. You know what'll help make you feel better? Baked Beans Supreme from 1966's The Ford Times Traveler's Cookbook. To make this camp classic, all you do is combine 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon instant coffee, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 3 tablespoons water, 1 teaspoon dry mustard, a half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon dried onion, and 1 large can of pork and beans. Heat until sauce thickens, either over a campfire or at home. You really should take something for that. You know what'll also help? A shot of bourbon. It goes great with baked beans, too. Thank you for dropping by the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. We'll be back with another campfire classic soon.
See you soon!